Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use iMovie for video editing. To do that, step 1. Importing media. Launch iMovie on your Mac, then create new or go to the file and import media to import the video clip and media files you want to edit. Step 2. Creating a new project. Choose a theme for your project if desired. And step 3. Editing your video. Drag and drop video clips for the media browser into the timeline at the bottom of the iMovie window. Then enhancing your video. Fine-tuning your edits. And then exporting your project. Once you're satisfied with your edits, go to the file, then share, and choose your desired output option. You can export your video to a various formats including file, social media, or streaming services. So that's how to use iMovie for video editing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!